Here's Bill, second pass through on the course up here in Portland, Oregon, at the National Association of Motor Officers competition. And he's railing the victory. He's actually loving this bike. He's run the course twice now, clean both times. First time out on this bike. Yeah, Bill, you're doing a great job. You can see he's just grown into that bike. His comments were, "I'm simply blown away. This bike rides smaller than it looks."
I've been told it's definitely not a Harley part, so it's going to either be Japanese or German. If you want to claim that we've got a special award for you, it's that I put my bike down award. Again, we're selling $1 raffle tickets for a 26-inch men's winning bicycle donated by Kmart proceeds go to NAMOA. Only $1 for a ticket. You can win a chance to ride a bicycle. Come on over, get a blue ticket for $1 each. Selling tickets at 4 o'clock, and after the shortly thereafter.
Oh yeah, clean all the way, clean all the way. He's loving it.